If you've ever gone shopping for gaming headsets, you know that the top rated ones are pretty expensive. Well, this one wasn't expensive. It's a UYOUSE gaming headset from the store Five Below, and it was about $5. Is this any good? Well, I'll find out. I'll do an unboxing and test this thing out. That's coming up on ThriftyAV. First things first, let's get into the box on this $5 headset. The outside of the box says UYOUSE Gaming Headset for use with Xbox One, PS4, and PC. For a cheap headset, these specifications are pretty good. Frequency response 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Cord length of 5 feet. Okay, built-in microphone, volume control, adjustable headband. They do not mention a mute button. That is an issue. And it is adjustable to fit your head size. Okay, here we have the headset itself. The connector on the headset is TRRS. Here's an adapter so you can use it with dual TRS, one for the microphone, the other for the headphones. 0 instructions. I find that unusual. Checking the build quality on these ear pads are kind of medium size, meaning they'll sit on your ear, not necessarily over your ear unless you have a tiny ear. The padding on them is a little bit stiff compared to some other headsets I've tried out. The microphone has a big windscreen on it. Let's take that windscreen off. The capsule is very plasticky looking. Not a big surprise on a $5 headset. Left and right are labeled on the inside. There's the left, there's the right. This cord here is not exactly heavy duty, but I've seen thinner cords. There is a volume control here, but no mute button. And it terminates with the TRRS. A lot of modern computers have a TRRS jack that combines both the microphone input and the headphone output. But this old HP has separate input for the microphone and output for the headphones. So I'm going to be using this adapter. Red for the microphone, green for the headphone, and I will be plugging the TRRS into the other side. Now, I don't claim to have golden ears, and I know for a fact I can't hear all the way to 20,000 Hertz, but I just now performed a frequency sweep. I didn't hear any outstanding peaks or valleys. It sounded like the same volume across all frequencies. So I think these headphones are doing a pretty good job and can do the full spectrum that they advertise. These ear pads have medium stiffness. They're not terribly comfortable, not terribly uncomfortable. I would be fine wearing them for an hour or two, but I don't know if I'd want to wear these headsets for very long extended gaming sessions. The biggest issue with most low-cost gaming headsets is the quality of the microphone. Right now you're listening to me through the lavalier microphone that's hooked directly up to the camera, but now you are listening to the recording I'm making using Audacity software with this microphone. Now there is a volume control on this cord, but this volume control only controls the headphones, not the microphone level. So there is really no way to mute this audio using hardware. The microphone was a little bit hot and overmodulated slightly, but overall I thought it sounded pretty good. I've definitely heard worse on cheap headsets. Now another thing I like to do is check to see if one of these headsets will work as a telephone headset. So to do that, I'm going to plug into my telephone here. This is a test of the UYOUSE Gaming Headset used as a telephone headset. This is what people on the other side of the line would be hearing if they listen to you over this headset. The last time I reviewed a headset, I received a lot of comments requesting troubleshooting with an Xbox or with a PlayStation. I do not have either one of those game systems, but I will tell you that the box says it is compatible. So maybe one of my other viewers can help out if you have an issue using this with an Xbox or a PlayStation. I'm using it with a PC, a laptop to be specific. The biggest issue I'm having with that is the lack of a mute button, and of course that would also be an issue with an Xbox or a PlayStation. Other than that, I think this headset works pretty good. It might be a pretty good backup for a higher quality headset, or if you're really on a tight budget, you could use this as a primary headset so long as you can deal with the lack of a mute button. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone.